on Sunday today. Just, wanted to put on a few vinyls. Had some friends coming over in between the day. I wouldn't take it easy, but while I was doing that, I thought, hey, it'd be a good time to show other people how to clean their vinyls also. Let's dive into it. Today we have something of the sorts that I found recently. Not recently, like a month ago, but it's come to recently seeing it again. It's called Steen the Rockies. Some cool, I guess, kind of promotional steer thing in the 80s or something, but yeah. This one's pretty clean as it is, pretty shiny. Just looking at it, making sure it has, it's pretty fairly dusty, but no worries after that since we are gonna clean it up. All right, let's get to cleaning. So there's two products that we're going to be using today. One of them is called a edge filler. We will show a description below. We'll have a description linked below and show the item right here. But it is a two-part system. It's like a bottom which actually does the cleaning, and the top that holds the cleaner part. Just pretty much snaps in. I found it to be just pretty much a cost-effective way. The other part is just a do-it-yourself solution. 1 part distilled water, 1 part alcohol, the highest if possible, and just a squirt of dish soap. And you put that in the spray bottle and you shake it up. That's pretty much it. You also need some kind of microfiber cloth. I mean, the whole idea is to keep non-cloth items away because you want dust-free stuff away from vinyls as much as possible. Yeah, I mean, microfiber, yeah, I mean, it's kind of a mixed bag of people's emotions about using microfiber with a vinyl, but if you don't feel free to do that, don't do it. So yeah. You can't say that, don't say that. So I like to do a couple squirts over here, like a little 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to not get it on the beautiful label like I did, dumbass. We take our said machine. Either way, it doesn't matter. I tried to go circular in one direction. Then I'll switch up another. Even pressure all the way through. Not too much, not too hard. These little bristles pretty much grab the grooves in the vinyl and carry all that kind of solution down in there and hopefully grab up any kind of dust and stuff. Then we'll come back with our microfiber cloth and wipe up any kind of residuals. That's pretty much it. Nice and clean and glossy. Thanks for stopping in. We hope you found this informational and enjoyable. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. Hope to see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye. Thanks for stopping in. We appreciate you coming in.